Hello everyone, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Today we're looking at a new 2024 Galeon 500 Flybridge. Arguably the best-selling 50-foot Flybridge in the market. Definitely the most innovative. Probably the best-selling model from Galeon as well. Beautiful craftsmanship on these Polish-built boats. The most vertically integrated company in the boat business. They build about 90% of this boat in-house. All the teak is milled. All the stainless steel is done in-house. They make their own doors, entry doors. Really great company. Look at the beautiful swim platform. Meant to put a jet ski or a dinghy on. This is a rotating seat in the back. You see the barbecue there. It's also a garage that opens up so you can get some paddle boards and storage in there. This does have the full side wings on both sides that go down to create huge balconies while you're out at anchor. This is a shaft boat, not a pod boat, with bow and stern thrusters. It's also Seakeeper stabilized. Beautiful hardtop on the boat as well. We'll do a quick walkthrough. Big, deep walkways to the bow. Nice, easy steps up to the Flybridge. Again, storage everywhere. The door's all pockets, so look at the beautiful Salon, how open everything is. Their woodwork is second to none. All of the headliners are all made from Alcantara, real high-end synthetic suede. Refrigeration, lots of counter space. Both these big side windows here slide open as well, so when the balconies are down, you have a outside facing couch here, and there's actually a nice bar that opens up here with a couple stools, so you can have a bar on the outside as well. Walking in, nice entertainment system. You have a pop-up TV here, but look at how light and bright the boat is here. It's a cloudy day and it's still bright in this boat. This will drop down this Salon table to make a berth. You have two removable stools here that'll pull over to the table when you want to have more guests. The helm seat actually swivels to make this one big long seat here on the starboard side. Wonderfully equipped helm at the lower station here. Everything at your fingertips. All Raymarine equipment. One-piece forward windshield. You have electric windows on each side of the helm here that go up and down, so you can communicate with your crew or just get some fresh air through the boat. This is a 3 stateroom layout and 2 full heads. Walking down, this is your VIP guest stateroom forward. Get the attention to detail. Lots of storage, beautiful high gloss cabinetry. Even look at the inlays in the doors. This is your bunk room. Really nicely equipped with its own storage area. This is your day head, which also has access from the VIP forward. You can see the door here with full-length mirrors, vessel sinks, beautiful tile work in the shower. Not a wet head. You have a full enclosure on. And walking back to your master suite, you have your own ensuite head with full stall shower. And this is a full beam master. So nicely done. With storage and hanging locker on starboard side. Washer dryer. In this cabinet here, a combo unit. And a beautiful little settee over here with either a makeup area or area you could work on your laptop. Full length windows here. Just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous master. Storage everywhere. Walking back out to the main salon again. Again, lots of cabinet space everywhere. We're gonna walk up to the bow of the boat because we have a whole nother entertaining area there. I love how these sides, the gunnels hit you high and give you a feeling of safety when you're walking up to the bow. So this is not your traditional sun pads. You have backrests that come out, so you can use it as a sitting area. There's an optional table that can go in the bow here. So you have a whole nother entertaining area here. Walking down the port side here. And the gunnels are very wide. And perfectly placed grab rail here as you're coming down. Now we're gonna walk up to the Flybridge, which is yet another entertaining area. Up on the Flybridge, you'll have an ice maker. You have a sink and a grill in here. A full helm up here, duplicated from below. Nice lounging area here. Full hardtop, of course. A whole another entertaining table here. Easily put 8 to 10 guests up here. So, boat just has it going on. This boat is for sale. It is available as of January. Again, this is Tyler Hill at MarineMax, Pompano Beach, Florida, your local Galeon dealer here in South Florida. Give us a call today, 954-783-9555. Thanks for watching.